Hello everyone, I am Sarthak Nano from Team Synergies from Anna Sahib Dange College of Engineering and Technology Ashta. We have been actively working on a project on the design of high altitude long endurance aerial platform, which is organized under the event named NAGDEC 3 under the initiative of IIT Bombay. We have been working for almost 8 months and don't remember now how we came so long. I think it's because of our mentor, Professor Kiran Babu sir. I would like to thanks for their wonderful guidance and a big thanks to Professor Rajkumar Pant sir for supporting us and motivating us throughout this competition. And a special thanks to Miss Prachi Magar ma'am for updating us throughout this competition. Before this competition, we didn't have a bit knowledge about the aircraft design. But after this competition, I will definitely say that the designing an aircraft is not an easy task to do. It needs a lot of efforts. By this competition, I understood that to design an aircraft, you should be more precise and active. For designing any aircraft, you should have a proper knowledge which comes from the guidance and the references we followed. From this competition, I have gained a valued and wonderful knowledge about the aircraft design. I feel very lucky to be the part of NAGDEC family, where our students from all over the India come together to solve a one problem statement. We have come through a very brilliant brains. This year has been a very difficult time for everyone due to the pandemic situation, but still teams were working actively and team members were supportive. I think this is the beauty of NAGDEC. It creates a tight bond between you, your team, and the design you have made.
It was a great experience to be a part of this competition. Initially, when I knew about this problem statement, I thought it's very difficult, but as we started working, it seems very interesting. Thanks to NAGDEC team for making our lockdown productive, and also thanks to our team members and faculty for their work and support.
This event was very good event, and especially organizers and expert members of this event are very supportive. And from this event we gained some industry specific knowledge and we enhanced our skill. And if someone want to improve his knowledge in aircraft design, then NAGDEC is very best platform for him.